recently I got a lot of mails from the YouTubers, from the people who are trying to have a conversations with me. I talk with every single person, and a lot of people complains that we don't have much money to afford to talk with tutors, and also we don't have that much of money to buy premiums and subscriptions as well. So these kind of complaints I got from the people who are trying to speak this language. I said each and every single person's, you don't need to pay any kind of money to learn this language. Why? Because I also started this language from zero. Okay, so without paying any money, I learned this language and still I'm learning. Okay, so guys, you don't need to buy any kind of subscriptions, any kind of premiums to learn this language. And if you want to upgrade yourself, as if you are a beginner or intermediate person, it's better to learn by yourself. And I can definitely assist you that some of the platforms that you can learn English. Okay, so let me just tell you how you can speak this language without paying money, or else without paying any single penny. Okay, let me just tell you what are the stages and what are the platforms I utilize to improve my communication skills. Okay, yes, and if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarla. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so your single like helped me a lot. Okay, yes, and yeah, let's dive into the video. You don't need any kind of platforms, you don't need any kind of premiums to speak this language. You need only mobile in your hand and just internet or laptop or desktop with you. That's it. That's highly enough, to be honest. Why? Because we are in 2025, guys, and this is just an internet era, and you can learn whatever you want to within your home. Okay, so you don't need go anywhere, and you don't need any kind of subscriptions. You can use perfectly and effortlessly, and you don't need to afford any kind of money on other platforms. Okay, so but I am not discouraging anyone who are taking some subscriptions on other kind of platforms to improve their communication skills. Okay, to improve their English as well. I'm not talking about them, but who are really not affordable, so to learn this language. And then this video is only for you. Okay, so first and foremost, the best platform that you can use for free is YouTube. Okay, so why YouTube is the only platform to learn and to speak this language? Let me just tell you. YouTube is completely free. Okay, so there are some subscriptions that is also there, but to be honest, guys, 90% everything whatever I learned, even English and whatever other activities also, even still whatever I learning in these days, on those days as well. So back then I learned a lot of stuff through in this YouTube platform. Okay, so 90% of whatever I learned through YouTube channels and through YouTube. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to say. So I can do it and you can also do it. Okay, so YouTube is a best platform to improve your communication skills, to improve your spoken English. Okay, so perhaps you ask me that, so there are a lot of premiums, there are a lot of subscription applications are available, then those are all waste. I'm not saying that to you. Okay, if you are taking some person's guidelines, and you have an experience to talk with tutors. Okay, if in case you don't have much money, then it's better to use it YouTube channel. Okay, let me just tell you what are the things you should watch in YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to talk about what are the mistakes I made. Okay, so as a beginner. So when I was a beginner, I searched about how to learn this language, how to speak this language very easily, how many days it will take time to speak this language. This kind of stuff I just searched when I was a beginner. So it's better to stop the things like this. So let me just give you one trick that will definitely helps you. I will just tell you what I do every single day and what I understood. Okay, so I wasted my time by searching like this, and again lot of so channels or I can saw, and they are saying the same stuff. If you are learning any language, guys, not only English, whatever language you are learning, it's better to stop searching about only that particular thing. Okay, so what it is, for example, if I am learning English, right? So you are only searching about how to improve English, how to learn vocabulary, how to learn English very quickly, how to learn English in a short manner. So something like that, you are searching only about English. Then how you can speak this language? Of course you are consuming. Okay, so you are consuming, but you're not executing it. Okay, so you're just consuming, that's it. So if you're not at all speaking with anybody else, then how you can speak this language? It doesn't work out, right? So let me just tell you guys, so how you can search and what you can search. Okay, so if you are interested like vlogs and web series or movies, go for your interest. So what I am saying is, you can learn the skills. Okay, so for example, if you are interested in singing songs, and if you are interested in web series, or if you are interested in like stories, something like that, so you just watch those in English. Okay, side by side you can learning your skill as well. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, so if you are interested something, you can learn that skill. Okay, you can learn that skill in English. Then you can also improve your English. You, whatever you are listening, whatever you are watching, just do it in English. Okay, so what I'm saying is that when you are doing things, just do it in only English. Why? Because if you are listening the words, whatever you are watching, you are listening again and again, then you can able to speak naturally. Don't learn this language like a skill. This is completely a language. You can turn this language into as an habit. How we can speak our mother tongue in the same manner, so we can also speak this English language. So I'm not putting a lot of efforts on grammar, especially tenses and present tense and phrases and idioms, something like that. I'm not putting a lot of efforts on it. Okay, in my initial stage I just try to learn and try to speak this language as much as possible, very naturally. So this is what I did. Okay, so when I was a beginner, so if you are trying to improve your speaking skills, then it's better to start with YouTube channels and what you interest. So depending on your interest, okay, so go for it and just learn your skill as well as learn this language. Okay, so you, if you have any kind of affordable money, then you need any kind of best platforms to learn this language, then drop me comments, or else you can send mails to me. Or if you need any kind of best platforms to learn English, yes, of course, I definitely said to you, and I'll definitely make a video for you if you need. Okay, so please drop your comments in the comment section so that I can do it for you. If not, then it's okay. If you are someone, you don't have that much of affordable money and you want to learn this language for free, or if you are the one from any rural areas, please drop your comments in the comment section. So, and also you can send message to me, and you can just ping me some message in Instagram. So I definitely talk to you, and I definitely said whatever things I did. Okay, so I definitely guide you. Whenever you are really try to learn this language, whenever you are really talk to me, then don't send messages like hi, how are you, where are you from, something like that. So don't send this kind of stuff. Why? Because I'm a girl, right? So in Instagram, lot of people are there. Okay, so a lot of people are texted, like some people who are really enthusiasm to learn this language, and there are people, someone flirting with girls. So this is common. Okay, so because as a girl, I am not going to text with anybody, any strangers as well. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, it's better to ping your clear point when you are texting me in Instagram. Okay, so you can say that, Sarla, I want to learn this language, so have a conversation with you, something like that. You can tell, okay, in the initial stage of when you are messaging me, so that I saw it, and yeah, this person is trying to have a conversation, and this girl is trying to have a conversation with me, so that I can talk with them. Okay, so if you are really interested and if you have that enthusiasm to learn this language, okay, within a single step message, don't send messages like hi, how are you, something like that, because there are a lot of messages I got. So I want to know who are really interested to learn this language, so I can give reply to them, so that I can have conversations with them. I also try to improve my communication skills with them. Okay, I also check the mails, but especially in Instagram, why it is a social media, right? There are a lot of people send messages for time passing or something like that. So I don't so that is the difference I want to know, so that's why I'm saying to you. Okay, yeah. How I can get this kind of fluency in English means I can hear a lot of podcast guys, so you can go with podcast and also audiobooks or something like that, if you are really interested on it. How the other tutors, how the other English learners says, you are also saying the same things, Sarla. So you might ask this question, right? But it's up to you guys. Why? Because when you are listening podcasts, you can improve your listening skills. Okay, so passively you can able to speak, and you want to get some words and verbs, and also you can learn some sentences through listening podcast as well. When you are watching some videos, you can get a lot of knowledge. Okay, there are a lot of platforms to listen to, like Spotify, and also in YouTube there are a lot of podcasts to listen. Okay, how I learn English without paying any money, so which is completely through speaking calls, guys. How I can get this kind of fluency in this language, which is talking to people. If you are learning any words, any sentences, any kind of phrases, any kind of idioms, without you are speaking, there is no use to learn those kind of things, right? You can use some applications, and you can talk with co-learners. I already told you, and I already made a lot of videos on it. So there are a lot of platforms to improve and to speak with co-learners in English. You, if you're not at all interested to talking about this kind of speaking skills and this kind of stuff, whatever you are learning, so how you can learn this language, what are the things you what are the steps you followed, and as a beginner, as an intermediate, everyone do the same things. Okay, so instead of that, what you should do is go with your interest. Okay, so for example, if you are interested in teaching, so go for it. So there are a lot of platforms you can teach to the people, and you can able to speak with them, and you can learn English like that. Okay, so if you are not at all interested to talk English like that, then go for calls. And there are a lot of platforms, there are a lot of applications for free. There are some pro applications, there are a subscription, but it's, if you can afford, then you can go with it. If you're not at all affordable, then it's better to go for free versions, like CV and Experiency and ChatGPT. I must say ChatGPT is the best, and a lot of AI is also available. And in ChatGPT Pro version is also available. If you are really interested, so go for it. If not, then there is a free version is also available on that particular ChatGPT, so you go for it. And also Talkpal, Perplexity, so this kind of stuff. I think Perplexity is a pro version, I think. Yeah, it's a pro version, and you can go with it if you want to pay money. So these kind of stuff in your hands and in your mobile phone, so why you want to pay money, and why you want to spend a lot of money to learn this language? You don't need to any money, right? So don't give excuses to yourself. I don't have anyone, I don't have any money to speak this language. So if you think that you can speak this language by only taking subscription, that is completely wrong, I would say. Because we are in this internet era, there are a lot of opportunities, and you can utilize wisely, and then you can get this kind of fluency in this language. You don't need to buy any kind of subscriptions. Okay, so you can go with it for free, and a lot of platforms also available, you can go with it. And if you are not at all trying to put your efforts, you are not going to get English fluency. If you are not ready to using some applications, if you are not at all watching any kind of videos, if you are not at all listening any kind of English content, so it is not going to be possible to speak this language, to be honest. Okay, so I'm not discouraging anyone, but it is a truth. Okay, so if you don't need any kind of internet, you don't need any kind of applications, then you can go for library, and you can use books, Okay, so you can read out and you can notice some words, and you can write down some words whatever you don't know, and you can just search about those words. Okay, that is how you can improve your grammar, and that is how I do every single day. And you can use like this for free, and with the help of ChatGPT you can do wonders, guys, to be honest. And you can ask ChatGPT like, so every day please give me some, and please give me, or else please teach me some sentences or some words every single day, like idioms, phrases, something like that. You can ask it. Okay, so you can grab those words, grab those sentences, you can learn and you can use it. So something like that you should do. And without your efforts, and how you can say that I don't have anybody to speak this language, I don't have any much money to learn this language. You don't need any kind of money to speak this language, to be honest. Okay, and you can utilize social media platforms, okay, for free. So just think wisely, and don't stick with only single content, guys. Why? Because so if you're searching only about English, then there is no use. So go for another kind of content, okay, like vlogs, web series, movies. So don't stick with only one content, like only English. How I can improve, how you can quick improvement in this English language, and what are the easy steps to learn this English language. This kind of stuff, just excuse it. You can dig the words, you can dig lot of stuff. Okay, so lot of things you can just explore. Then you know how to speak, how to learn words. So what are the stuff they are saying, so something like that you can learn. Okay, so that is what I am trying to say in this video. And you don't need any money. So this is how I learned without paying any money. Okay, so to be honest, I learned whatever I learned till now, I'm learning also. Okay, so through YouTube, to be honest, guys, through YouTube I learned a lot means a lot. Okay, I didn't pay any money. Okay, so whatever skills I learned so far, so those are through YouTube. Okay, you don't waste your money. Okay, so you can learn by your own self, you can utilize some applications for free. So if you have any kind of doubts, drop the comments in the comment section. So yeah, this is what I want to talk in this particular video. And if you like the video, you know what you have to do: give it a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.